Hello everyone, winter is here and there is nothing more comforting than a plate of warm rustic rotla with ghee and jaggery. Being a Gujarati, vagharelo rotlo is my staple food and I just love it. Today I am not just going to show you how to make rotla, but also I will add my way how do I make rotla in bulk, store it into the freezer and use it on those lazy winter days when all I want is just quick, cozy and healthy meal. Being a Gujarati, vagharelo rotlo is the only thing that comes to my mind. I'm very excited to share my way of making rotla with you all, so if you are excited equally, then let's get started. Alright, I grind a big batch of pearl millet flour at home, fresh, and store it into the freezer into the Ziploc bag. Because pearl millet flour oxidizes when exposed to air, heat or light, it causes the flour to develop a rancid taste and smell. So put it in the freezer, and proper storage ensures that the millet flour it will remain fresh, flavorful and safe to use for longer period of time. Since I am making a big batch of rotla today, I added 4 cups of pearl flour. To it I added half cup of whole wheat flour, pinch of salt and 2 glasses of hot water. Traditionally, whole wheat flour is not added, but if you are a beginner, I highly recommend you to add whole wheat flour. Flour will first look crumbly, but warm water will help to bind the bajri flour better and makes the dough softer. The dough should feel soft and pliable, but remember, unlike rotla dough will not be smooth, and that's completely normal. Alright, once the dough is ready, avoid the resting time. This is the key point to remember because bajri flour lacks gluten and it dries very quickly. Once the dough is ready, I divide it into small portions and shape them into small balls. Dust your rolling surface with a little bit dry flour to prevent sticking, and using a rolling pin for bajra rotla can be a great alternative to hand patting. Small cracks around the edges are normal, and I generally get rid of them by trimming the edges so that it looks a perfect round circle. Heat a tawa and cook the rotla on medium heat. Flip it couple of times until you see brown spots and it puffs up. Now, I'm not bothered whether this puffs up or not because I'm anyways going to use them for making vagharelo rotlo. Garam bajra rotla, ghee and gourd is my absolute favorite. You can enjoy these rotlas with lasanni chutney, adadni dal or any regular sabzi of your choice. Now, for those who love efficiency, like me, you can make rotlas in bulk. Here's what I do. After cooking the rotlas, let them cool completely. This step is very important to avoid sogginess when freezing. Create a bundle of the rotlas, stack them between the parmesan paper to prevent sticking, and place the stack into the Ziploc bag. Place the Ziploc bag into the freezer. It stays fresh for up to 3 months. Trust me, this pre-made homemade frozen rotlas will be a bliss. Thank me later, but first watch how to use the frozen rotlas in the microwave. Take the required number of frozen rotlas out of the freezer. Let them sit at the room temperature for 2 to 3 minutes. This will reduce the chance of uneven thawing. Place the rotlas onto a microwave safe plate and microwave on medium heat for around 2 minutes. This method ensures your thaw rotlas will be soft, moist and ready to enjoy. That's it. It's that simple. Absolutely, frozen homemade rotlas are truly a blessing. Now you know how to make, store and enjoy rotlas all winter long. And that was everything. I hope you guys liked the video I made. Like, share and subscribe for more traditional recipes. See you all real soon with more simple and amazing recipes. Till then, God bless and stay connected. Bye for now.